Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing today a 2-system change out at a customer's house. She's a repeated customer, and we're actually we installed American Standard. We actually in the vacuum mode, and what that means is that once we solder the pipes, the suction line and the liquid line on each one, both solder inside and outside, then we test with nitrogen for leaks. So we add nitrogen into the system and wait about 5 minutes, and then we got some soap bubbles. We add soap bubbles to the copper lines, which are these right here. So see that blue line is the suction, the red line is the liquid line, and right in all those connections we check for bubbles. There's a dryer. We add soap bubbles to check for leaks. Here's the other one. The same thing, there's a dryer, we check on both sides where we solder, and we check for leaks, and we didn't find any. So then we put what's called into a vacuum mode, and what that does, it removes all the humidity, non-condensables, and we run it, and it gives us a micron gauge. You want to get it down to 300, 500 microns. Then we know it's got a full vacuum. Sometimes it may take 30 minutes, sometimes it may take 20 minutes, it may take an hour. It just depends how long the system was open. And you always want to do a vacuum and change out the liquid line dryers with a filter every time you open up the system. So again, she's a happy customer because she's called us several times on family and friends. Now was her time to replace her air conditioning systems. So we replaced both of them. So behind me here, these are the vacuum pumps. These are our gauges. And if you notice, you got a yellow hose and you got a black hose. The black one is thicker. So it helps remove more vacuum, more non-condensables, more humidity, faster, to get the job done faster. So these are good jobs. They're clean jobs that we do. We leave everything nice and clean. So if you ever have any air conditioning issues, refrigeration, walk-in cooler, freezers, ice machine, we're 24/7. We're 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com, okay? See you guys in the next video. 512-448-0532, 24/7. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.